Hi, and welcome to the Build, Restore, Repair channel. This episode will be about AC repair and cleaning. We have two window type air-conditioned units at home that need some maintenance. One of them is no longer turning on, and both of them are not performing well with air cooling. We have used both of these units for almost 7 to 9 hours a day for the past 6 years. Some say these units could last for more or less 20 years with proper maintenance. The repair guy diagnosed the problem and said that the one that's not turning on needs a new capacitor. And both of the units need to be drained of their old Freon because some of the coils have already been blocked. They also need to be recharged with a new supply of R22 Freon. I appreciated the service because they offered to do a deep clean before making the repairs. They started cleaning by covering the computer box and the motor because these are the components that can't get wet. They then went on to pressure spray the whole unit to get rid of all the dust, dirt, and gunk that has been accumulated for the past 6 years. Then they also gave the aircon grills and components a good soap brush. And then a good rinse. They then repeated the whole cleaning process for the second aircon unit. Now, to fix the power issues, a new capacitor was installed on the aircon computer box. Now for charging the Freon. A copper coil was opened to release the existing Freon inside of the system. We waited for about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that all the gases are gone. After that, they took out an existing coil located near the top of the unit using a blowtorch. They then replaced it with a new one with a valve on one end. The unit was then turned on for a few minutes to make sure that any existing gases inside the coils are expelled. The first open coil was then closed using the blowtorch. The new R22 Freon was charged through the newly installed copper tube valve while the air conditioned unit was on. The copper tubing in the system began to get moist and the air being expelled by the machine was ultra cold. The charging lasted for about a minute or so. The whole process was then repeated on the other unit. Our air conditioning units are now good for another 5 years or more. And not to mention, our electric bill will also go down now that they are more efficient. What do you guys think? Does your aircon also need some love and care? Are you having nightmares at night because of the heat? Comment your thoughts down below. I would love to hear from you. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button and give this one a thumbs up. See you on the next Build, Restore, Repair episode.